In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS Studio to record screen, beginner tutorial. First, head to the official OBS Studio website, download the version for your operating system, and run the installer. The default install options work well for most people, so you can generally click through without changing much. When installation finishes, launch OBS. On first open, you'll see the auto configuration wizard. Choose Optimize just for recording. This tells OBS to prioritize high-quality local recordings instead of streaming settings. Let the wizard run its quick checks and accept the recommended options. These defaults usually set a solid base resolution, output resolution, and frame rate that will look good without overloading your system. Next, set up your scene and source. A scene is simply a collection of what OBS will show and record. OBS usually creates a default scene for you. You can keep it or rename it to stay organized. Now add what you want to capture. In the sources box, click the plus button, select display capture, and click OK. Display capture records your whole monitor, which is perfect for general screen tutorials. If you have more than one screen, choose the monitor you want to record from the drop-down, then click OK. You can also decide whether to include your mouse cursor. Leaving it on is helpful for tutorials, so viewers can follow along. Glance at the audio mixer. You should see meters moving for desktop audio if your computer is playing sound, and for mic aux if you're speaking into a microphone. If nothing moves, use the small gear icon beside each device to select the correct input and adjust levels. Aim for voice peaks that touch yellow but avoid solid red to prevent distortion. Before you hit record, open Settings, then go to Output and the Recording tab. Choose where to save your files by setting a clear, easy-to-find folder. Pick a recording format you're comfortable with. MP4 is widely compatible, while MKV can be more resilient if your computer crashes mid-recording. Most users can keep the encoder settings recommended by the wizard, especially if a hardware option was selected to reduce CPU load. When everything looks good, click Start Recording in the bottom right. Do a quick test run, move around your desktop, open a window, and say a few words. When you're done, click Stop Recording. Find the file in the folder you chose and play it back to confirm video and audio are clear. That's it. You've set up OBS Studio to record your screen with dependable, beginner-friendly settings.